My name is Wayne Kirkpatrick. I own a company, WK Enterprises. We are in the custom metal fabrication business. Here we've just kind of morphed into a 20,000 square foot shop. And with that growth, we have brought on other employees. Currently, right now, I have 4 employees, which 3 of those 4 are from West-MEC. Nothing makes me feel better than to get a student that can excel in what we do here. It's not welding, it's cutting, it's drawing in CAD, it's programming a laser. Delphina and Eric, both of those instructors, I think they do a great job with the students and all the different things that they have to encounter as far as from book work to actual application, the different welding processes, some of the soft skills, if you will. The importance of calling in. If you're not going to make it to work or you're going to be late to work, the importance of respecting the company you're working for. I mean, I've got 2 guys that's worked for me for over 7 years, you know, and so we're a family here, and I like that family environment. I'm not looking for a student that's looking to get out and learn what he can learn and then go somewhere else. I'm looking kind of for the long term. I'm a guy that's lived in this community for over 50 years. It makes me feel good to see these students evolve into the craftsmen that they are. Anybody in Buckeye that knows me knows that if it's not perfect or a little bit better, then that's not good enough. So we really pride I guess pride would be the thing, that we pride ourselves into making extremely high quality parts. And given the opportunity, they have developed into amazing craftsmen.